local pack optimization, it always considers the location of the searcher first before the nature of the query. So I'm going to have very different results here in Glendale, Wisconsin than I would in maybe even Shorewood, Wisconsin, a close by suburb. We're all going to have very different results. It really does prefer first page organic rankings. So your overall SEO efforts are going to impact your local SEO results on the map. And it's important to note that the local pack will differ if you do things like near me versus in Milwaukee, right? Because near me implies that I want something really close to me, right? Coffee near me versus coffee in Milwaukee, those are very different searches, and I may be looking for very different results as a user. So Google's going to change the local pack based upon the way that somebody searches. But this local pack optimization in a lot of ways is all about Google My Business and making sure that your Google My Business profile is accurate, up to date, and robust. Your hours, your phone, whether if you take appointments, having that in there, website, photos, links, all of those things should already be in Google My Business. There are some additional items that you can include in Google My Business that can help make your profile more robust and can tell Google more about your company. The first being a list of products. Now, you don't have to necessarily sell products to list products within your search, within your Google My Business profile. You can see right here for this plumber, they don't sell a product, they sell a service, but they're putting them in here as products, which is really, really beneficial. You can see they do plumbing repairs, drain cleaning, sewer line repair. You can list out all of your services in that product section within Google My Business. You can put all of that in there. The other area where you can add more content is the questions and answers area. And questions and answers within your Google My Business profile is really meant for crowdsourcing information. It's this Google's way of having users be able to ask a question and anybody be able to answer it. So it can be somewhat review-like, or it can be actual real questions about your business. But you as an SEO practitioner, you can use this section to your advantage and ask your own questions and answer these questions in a way that incorporates keywords. What types of services do you provide? We provide plumbing repair, drain cleaning. We've been doing a lot of sewer line repair lately, or something like that. You can answer questions and include your services in those answers, or include your keywords you're trying to target within those answers. And that can be really beneficial for your overall local SEO. You also, of course, within your Google My Business profile, want to make sure that you're getting as many reviews as possible. And you want to make sure that you're doing posts if you have some sort of sale or deal or something along those lines.